Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to zoom in and zoom out on Mac. So Mac has a built-in accessibility feature which allow you to zoom in and zoom out within the screen. For that, what you need to do is you need to go to this Apple logo, go to System Settings, and within the System Settings, switch to Accessibility. Here you would be able to see this option which called Zoom. Just open that, and here you have a different options here. So very first thing is use keyboard shortcut to zoom. So you need to enable this option, and here you have the shortcut keys mentioned. So in order to toggle the zoom, you need to press Option Command 8. So let me try that. Option Command and 8. So you can see this screen is being slightly zoomed. Similarly, to continue the zoom in, what you can do is you can press Option Command equal signs. So Option Command equal sign, and it will continue to zoom as long as you keep pressing the equal sign. Now for zoom out, it says Option Command minus sign. So you can just press Option Command and keep pressing the minus sign. It will zoom out to the normal level. So this is one option using the keyboard. Now second is using the trackpad gesture. So I need to enable this, and using the trackpad, here it's saying as double tap 3 finger to toggle zoom in. So I'm using my 3 finger and tapping on the trackpad. So you can see after double tapping using the 3 fingers, it had zoomed in, and let me just double tap again, it will zoom out. Now if I want to zoom this section, so I can just double tap here and then double tap again. So this way I can zoom in using the trackpad as well. Now there is also use scroll gesture with modifier key to zoom in. So if I enable it, and the modifier key is controlled by control button. So what I can do is I am keep pressing the control key on my keyboard, and I'm using the external mouse to scroll, and it is zooming in. And similarly, if I scroll down, it is zooming out. I can also use the trackpad. The control command is already pressed, and I'm using the trackpad to zoom in and then zoom out. So you can use either trackpad or the external mouse. So there are different options here: zoom style, full screen, split screen, and picture in picture. So you can choose the display, and there are some advanced settings here where you can modify zooming, how the zooming should work, what is the minimum size of zooming, zoom out, and adjust the keyboard shortcut, like whether you want to control all those steps. So you can just go and follow these different options here to manage the zoom in based on your requirement. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.